Autophagy is the ultimate behind-the-scenes hero of our bodies, a microscopic recycling crew tirelessly sweeping through cells, collecting worn-out proteins, broken mitochondria, and other cellular debris, then turning them into useful components. It's like a tiny army of Marie Kondos tidying up at the molecular level, keeping everything running smoothly, without ever asking for a medal. And here's the ironic twist that keeps scientists chuckling. Autophagy thrives in fasting conditions. Once breakfast enters the scene, toast, eggs, coffee, or even that smoothie you're proud of, the janitorial crew halts its operations. Insulin spikes, nutrient-sensing pathways kick in, and suddenly autophagy puts its broom down, steps back, and perhaps mutters, "Fine. Go ahead and eat, we'll pick up later." The paradox is clear. The food meant to fuel our day is also the thing that temporarily pauses our most sophisticated cellular maintenance program. The metabolic angle of this breakfast autophagy paradox is fascinating. Eating triggers insulin release, which is crucial for regulating glucose levels and ensuring energy reaches muscles, the brain, and other organs. Insulin acts like a traffic controller, directing sugar where it's needed and preventing dangerous spikes in blood glucose. At the same time, insulin signals the body that nutrients are abundant, effectively telling autophagy, "No need to clean right now, we've got energy to process." So, while autophagy presses pause, glucose homeostasis and immediate energy availability take priority, a perfect example of the body's elegant multitasking. This makes breakfast essential for cognitive performance, mood stability, and muscle fuel, yet a temporary interruption to the body's cellular cleanup. Imagine your cells staging a tiny drama every morning. Lysosomes and proteasomes are lined up, brooms in hand, ready for a thorough sweep. Autophagy is about to launch into its deep cleaning shift when breakfast arrives. "Incoming nutrients," shouts insulin, the overzealous traffic cop, waving fluorescent flags. All cleaning operations halted. Glucose must be delivered to the brain immediately. The janitorial crew sighs, reluctantly tucking away their mop handles while the mitochondria cheer and muscles pump their tiny fists, excited for a surge of fuel. It's a whimsical tug-of-war. Autophagy wants to clean, insulin wants to deliver, and your neurons just want the sugar already. Scientific studies support this balancing act. Fasting-induced autophagy enhances cellular repair, mitochondrial efficiency, and anti-inflammatory processes, contributing to long-term health and resilience. Meanwhile, breakfast-induced insulin spikes support short-term metabolism, allowing the body to process nutrients efficiently, stabilize blood sugar, and deliver fuel to muscles and the brain. It's a temporal trade-off. The momentary pause in autophagy is compensated by the immediate benefits of energy balance and cognitive readiness. The body has essentially orchestrated a daily negotiation between repair and performance. Humorously, the scenario could be visualized as a cellular office in chaos and harmony at once. Autophagy's janitors are like meticulous office cleaners, tidying desks and filing away broken paperwork, when insulin, wearing a neon vest and carrying a clipboard, rushes in with a pile of sticky notes labeled glucose and energy. "Sorry, folks. Today we prioritize delivery over cleanup," the insulin traffic cop declares. Mitochondria cheer, neurons light up, muscles flex in approval, and autophagy quietly mutters, "We'll get to it later, but seriously, who scheduled a pancake delivery during cleaning hours?" It's the comedy of physiology, cells juggling multiple priorities, each essential, yet occasionally at odds. From a practical perspective, this paradox highlights the importance of timing and context. If your morning requires peak cognitive performance, exercise, or stability in energy levels, a breakfast that triggers an insulin response is both practical and beneficial. On the other hand, delaying breakfast or using time-restricted eating can extend fasting windows, enhancing autophagy for those seeking long-term cellular repair and metabolic benefits. In both cases, the body adapts, demonstrating remarkable flexibility and resilience. The paradox is not a flaw, it's a feature of evolution, allowing humans to balance short-term energy demands with long-term cellular maintenance. In the end, the breakfast autophagy paradox is a playful illustration of the body's sophisticated multitasking. Insulin spikes may temporarily halt autophagy, but they ensure glucose homeostasis, muscle readiness, and cognitive sharpness. Autophagy pauses, but it is not defeated. It simply waits for the next opportunity to sweep through cells with renewed vigor. The interplay between fasting and feeding, cleaning and fueling, highlights the humor, intelligence, and adaptability inherent in our biology. Whether you eat breakfast immediately, delay it for autophagy, or find a balance somewhere in between, your body orchestrates a perfectly timed symphony of repair, energy, and performance, often with a dash of comic timing, because even cells seem to enjoy a little morning drama.